Hi everyone, at the Super Trunk Show in London, there's going to be the World Shoemaking Championship that will be crowned. This year it's a full strap penny loafer. It's where handmade shoes are being sent from across the world to be judged, and then the top 3 best shoes travel around the world. And we will have it in India somewhere around December. From what I saw the last few years, competition is fierce. I only can guess how difficult it must be for the judges to select 3 from what is usually a 20-30 shoe. So let's see what that looks like this year. And the model itself is quite exciting. It's a loafer for the first time, and that to a full strap penny loafer. It's a style that seems to be coming back. We have one as well on our collection. The last year when the shoes came, it was the Balmoral boots, I remember, to India. We had quite an exciting evening. We had friends, shoe enthusiasts from across the country come to Chennai to see these shoes. So we'll have the same similar event in most likely December. We'll get back to you with more information about that when we have it. Another exciting event at the Super Trunk Show in London this year will be the World Shoe Shining Championship. Last year in New York, Bridlen Shoes were used for the US shoe shining competition, but this time it's going to be the World Shoe Shining competition itself. I'm one of the judges for the event. This competition has already started for about 30 or 40 people. I cannot remember the exact number. We had to sort of bring it down to only 3. And these 3 guys are going to come out to London and shine the shoes in front of you over 20 minutes. They get the same product, the same 3 Bridlen shoes, and they have to bring it to a nice shine. There are many criteria for us to judge these shoes on, but I can tell you it's quite a feast for the eyes. If you have not seen this, tune in if you're from other parts of the world, but if you are in London, try to come in for the event itself. This event has made a lot of people famous. My good friend Ash and John, who have a great business called Mason & Smith, both of them champions. Many such similar businesses around the world who got a lot of attention at the World Shoemaking Championship now and has gone on to become a good business in itself. We also do our shoe shining service, and one day we hope to participate in that, but that year I probably will not be allowed as a judge, I think. Anyway, I'm excited to be judging this year's competition. Another event at the London Super Trunk Show is the Shoe Patina Championship. This is where 3 Bridlen shoes in what's called crust leather, which is like a plain canvas, sort of white color leather, is used to paint or patina the shoes onto. And the one in London tends to be very competitive. I'm the judge for this event as well, and I can tell you there's some exciting and very talented people coming to London this year. Come by, see what and how a plain white shoe is converted into a thing of art, thing of beauty really. At the Super Trunk Show, they have the whole day really to start off in the morning and present it at the end of the evening to myself and the other judges. It's going to be an exciting day. Come along, come to London, see what those top 3 best shoes of 2024 look like. See you soon. Bye-bye.